Hello everybody, this is Lucas here at MarineMax Lake Ozarks. We have a new brokerage listing. It's a 2015 Sea Ray 270 SUNDECK. It's a Sea Ray blue exterior with a nice brown interior. Starting on the swim platform, you do have the fold down swim step, a nice sun pad, fresh water wash off the rear, gas tank as well, snap-in carpeted flooring, brown interior, movable main helm, and co-captain's chair is movable with your own seat bolster. Nice helm and dash there. Mercury engine, of course. This boat does have the head. Tons of seating up in the bow. That's what these SUNDECKs are known for. Again, this is a new listing here with MarineMax Lake Ozarks, a 2015 Sea Ray 270 SUNDECK. Does come with a trailer as well. Give us a call.